Ayat teneh bazad ya the hadian and get it ninigi the language keepers. This is Navajo II Lesson 13. And here's the lesson of the day. I'll read it and then we'll have some questions the way that we're going to do it. Ne ashni ne yane. Ne ashni ne yane. Ne hoteshiste. Alse hasthin do alse astan do mai do chosh sha'ayilla. Dole do tsidi yago dadot ejigi ne hodot ejde fa'ilte anasaze ne halsote fa'ilte ne halkode wenesh idi haj ej hajine benache oho beniye khanne. Here are the questions. Let's take the first one. Nesni ne hodeshil. Alsehastki nesni ne yane ne hodeshilte. Alsehastki do alsehastando maido chosh la'ayila. So we can just go right down the bottom. Da nesni ne yane ne hodeshilte. Alsehastki do alsehastando maido chosh la'ayila. Answer O. Nesni ne yane ne hodeshilte. Alsehastki do alsehastando maido chosh la'ayila. And we can ask another question. Chaish ne'esni ne'yane. Oh, chaish ne'hodeshilte. Alsehastkindo alsehastando maido chosh la'ayila. And the answer, ne'esni ne'yane ne'hodeshilte. Alsehastkindo alsehastando maido chosh la'ayila. Okay. Another one, chade. Ne'esni ne'yane chade. Alsehastkindo alsehastando maido chosh la'ayila. And the answer, ne'esni ne'yane ne'hodeshilte. Alsehastkindo alsehastando maido chosh la'ayila. Okay. And we can say the same thing. Hat'i, let's take the hat'i. Ne'esni ne'yane ne'hodeshilte. Hat'i la'ayila. And the answer would be ne'esni ne'yane ne'hodeshilte. Alsehastkindo alsehastando maido chosh la'ayila. Okay, that's great. And then we can do the same thing with do, doli, do, tsidi, yagodot, ijigi, ne'hodeshilte, ba'ilte, and ba'ilte is over here. They came to it. Doli and tsidi, yagodot. Doli is bluebird and the bluebirds. Okay, bluebird and bluebirds. And they're the ones. Oh, there's kind of messed up. We'll fix it here in a minute here. Okay, so let's put it in. Well, we could say chaish. Let's see, chaish or chaish ba'ilte. We could say that chaish nehodot ijde ba'ilte, and it'll be doli do tsidi yagotato tlishigi neotelhilta bailte. And another question might be Doli dot city yagodot kiji khade bailte. And the answer Doli dot city yagodot kiji neotelhilte bailte. And the next sentence Anasaza nehot suite nehot sote nehalt sote nehalt sote bailte. Khay nehot sote bailte. Anasaza nehot sote bailte. Another one as Anasaza khade bailte. Anasaza nehalt sote bailte. نحل قده ونش إيدي خاش إيش نسي خاده ونش إيدي خاش إيش نحل قده ونش إيدي خاش إيش خيش نحل قده خاش إيش نحل قده ونش إيدي خاش إيش. Okay, and the last one even هجيني بالنشأ أو بنية خنة. In the question هتيش بنية هجيني بالنشأ هتيش بنية هجيني say بنشأ خنة هجيني بنشأ أو بنية. Okay, خنة. So we'll practice that one. Okay, that's the little thing that I wanted to share with you.